Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Erga Mayantika and my student ID number is 10125017. Okay, today I want to tell you a simple story about something I really like, something that has always been part of my life. That thing is music. Music is not just song for me. Music is a feeling. Music is a place where I can rest when my mind feels tired. I don't remember actually when I started loving music. I think it happened naturally. Music slowly became part of my daily life without me realizing it. Every morning when I wake up, music is usually one of the first things I hear. Sometimes from my phone, sometimes from the people around me, and somehow it helps me start my day better. As a college student, my life can be busy and sometimes stressful. There are a 6-month deadline and expectation that I needed to deal with. And honestly, there are moments when everything feels too much. That is usually when I turn to music. When I feel tired, music helps me relax. When I feel stressed, music helps me calm down. And when I feel sad, music makes me feel understood. Music feels like a friend who doesn't ask too many questions. It just stays with me. I don't have one favorite genre of music. My music choice depends on my mood. When I want to feel calm, I listen to slow and soft songs that make me breathe more slowly and think more clearly. When I need energy, I listen to more upbeat music that makes me feel alive, motivated, and ready to move again. Sometimes I don't even focus on the lyric. I just let the melody play and let my thoughts wander. In this moment, music becomes my background, but it also my support. One of my favorite moments with music is when I listen to it at night. After a long day, when everything is quiet, music feels different. At night, music feels deeper. I make me real day on what I did right, on what I could do better, and on what I should let go. Music helped me accept that it's okay to feel tired, it's okay to feel confused, and it's okay to have everything figured out. Sometimes one song can bring back memories of people, memories of place, memories of moments that I had forgotten. A song can remind me of a happy time. A song can also remind me of a painful one, but even then, music doesn't hurt me. It helps me process those feelings. That's why music is important to me. It doesn't change my problems, but it changes how I face them. Music also accompanies me when I'm doing assignments. Even when I feel lazy or unmotivated, music helps me stay focused. It turns a boring moment into something more enjoyable. It makes me feel like I'm not alone with my thoughts. Sometimes I imagine my life like a movie, and music is the soundtrack, different song for different moments. Happy moments, sad moments, and then quiet moments, and then moments when I feel lost. And just like in a movie, the music doesn't stop even when the story gets difficult. What I love about music is that it doesn't judge. It doesn't tell me that I'm too slow or too late. It just stays. Music teach me that feelings are normal. that being human means feeling many things at once. Through music, I learned that it's okay to take break, it's okay to pause, and it's okay to move at my own pace. I may not always know what I want to do in the future, but when I listen to music, I feel more connected to myself. Music helps me be honest about what I feel, and sometimes that honestly is all I need. In a world that feels noisy and demanding, music becomes my safe space. A space where I can be myself without pretending. So, if someone asks me why I love music so much, my answer is simple. Music is there when words are not enough. Music understands when people don't. Music doesn't solve everything, but it helps me continue. And as long as music exists in my life, I know I'll always have a place to return off. That is my story about something I truly love. That is my story about music. There is another reason why music meant so much to me. Music has been with me not only in good moments, but also in moments when I doubted myself. There were times when I left insecure, times when I compared myself to others, times when I felt like I was not good enough. And in that moment, music became my reminder that everyone has their own journey. Everyone moves at a different pace, and that it's okay if my path looks different from others. Sometimes a song feels like it is speaking directly to me, like it understands what I cannot explain, like it knows what I am going through. Even when I stay silent, music also teach me patience. Some songs start slowly and then build up little by little. They remind me that growth doesn't happen instantly, that good things take time. When I feel like giving up, music helps me stay a little longer. Just one more minute, just one more text, just one more try. Music doesn't push me harshly. It introduces me gently. I also realize that music connects people. Even when we don't speak the same language, we can still feel the same emotion through a song. Happiness, sadness, hope, and comfort. That's something beautiful. Sometimes I listen to music while walking alone, with my earphones on. The world feels quieter, not because the noise disappears, but because my mind feels calmer. In those moments, music helps me slow down. It reminds me to enjoy small things, to breathe, to be present. I believe everyone needs something that keeps them grounded, something that helps them survive difficult days. For me, that thing is music. Music might not be visible, it doesn't have a shape, but its impact is real. It gives me strength when I feel weak. It gives me comfort when I feel lonely, and it gives me hope when I feel unsure about tomorrow. As I continue my journey as a college student and as a person, I know challenges will keep coming. Life will not always be easy, but as long as music stays with me, I feel more prepared to face it, because music reminds me that I am allowed to feel, I am allowed to rest, and I am allowed to keep going at my own speed. And maybe that is why music will always have a special place in my life. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.